All right, putting front splash guards on a 2022 Suburban, but this should be the same for the Tahoe. So basically you have a screw here, and a screw here. This screw you keep and retain. These two you're gonna take out and it's gonna be replaced with the screws they provide. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these 3 screws out, set this one aside because we're gonna need that one. All right, so this is the passenger side. The first thing you do is you're just gonna fold that in. And the other thing I like to do right away is this tape. I like to fold it at a 45-degree angle and make sure it'll come out the side. That way it's gonna make removing that a lot easier once it's in the body. Because if it's straight up and you try to pull that off, it's just gonna bunch up that double-side tape and it's not gonna come off nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the screw here, those existing holes, using the screws they provided, and then that 3rd screw, the one they said to retain, that'll go in this one. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw it up. All right, now that I got that in place, there's a screw in the bottom here we have to actually drill. I don't know if I can actually get a screenshot of it. Yeah, right there. So this we want to pull forward as far as we can, mark it with the pencil, take the whole thing off, we'll drill it. I think it's a 1364 hole, and that's where our rivet's gonna go. All right, so I just drilled it and placed in the rivet. So now the last part of this is pulling that tape off. And again, I cleaned everything before I started, so this should just come off real nicely. Oop, of course this can happen, so you just kind of lift it forward a little bit and just kind of work its way out. I'm gonna pause the video and just do it. So I just used 2 hands and I kind of slightly tipped that out a little bit, and then I was able just to kind of remove it. I guess if you're having trouble with it, worst case scenario is you could always remove these top 2 screws and you would have to pull it out and slip it, get it off that way. But you really don't want to mess with it too much because that tape only is so sticky for so long. So just take your time, and normally everything kind of turns out. So cool, thanks for watching.